Hi, this is a demo for the HDFS connector. It's new to FME in 2018. The HDFS connector is a connector that allows you to upload, download, list, or delete files in the Hadoop distributed file system. And in this demo, we're going to be uploading a SQL table to the HDFS. We're going to then turn that table or that file into a table in Hive, and we're going to run some queries against existing data in the Hadoop system, and then we're going to download the results of that query. So to begin, we'll start with our workspace. We've got a SQL Server database here, and we're going to extract the coordinates out of our table. We're going to then grab the table name, and we're going to then make a file name that we want to upload to HDFS from that. So we turn it into CSV first, and that looked like it ran properly. And we'll take a look at the HDFS connector in a little more detail here. Right now we're going to take a look and see if our files came through. So we've got the list option here, but you also have all the others: upload, download, list, and delete. And then if we take a look at the path, we have a path that is our HDFS path, the way it's shown in a lot of GUIs that is attached to the Hadoop systems. Let's give that a run and see if our file was uploaded to our Hadoop instance. Fantastic, that's the one I wanted. All right, looks like it's there. So now I'm going to Hue. This is on our Cloud Hour instance, and we're going to see the file here. Take a look, make sure the contents look okay. There it is. Looking good. Okay, so now we're going to go into Hive. We're going to take that CSV and turn it into a table. We're using Hive for this, but you can use any system you want. You can use Spark or whatever once it's in the HDFS. Looks great, we've got a table. All right, let's go to Hive editor and see if we can execute a query here. So we're doing inner join here. With some data that exists in the Hadoop instance. And what we're going to do is output a CSV file, which we can then download with FME. So we'll give that a run. Great. And there's our table. So let's go back to FME here. Give it a run. So we're going to download the file that exists in the folder that we created for it. Navigate to it. And then we're going to read the CSV that comes in. We're going to then create some spatial elements out of the XY that was in the CSV, and then we can output it to any format we want. I've got a buffer there so we can see the points a little more easy, and I've got to go into inspector, but you can put out any format you want. And I think what might be particularly useful is creating some reports from data in our Hadoop instance. There we go. There's our data back out. So hopefully this gives you some ideas of how you want to use the HDFS connector. Would really like to hear what file formats you're using in your Hadoop instance, where you want to connect to. Is that Hive? Is that Spark? Is that MapReduce? Yeah, let us know what you're using it for, how you want to use it, and hopefully we can keep building this thing the way that works for you guys. Thanks a lot.